Knowing how to clear a mask is one of the most important skills for your DSD or open water students. Conducting this skill with control and confidence will help your students master this skill with minimal difficulty. Start by giving the students the skill signal. For this skill, work with one student at a time. For control, make contact with the student's BCD. Check your student is ready to begin, and for safety, immediately place your hand on the student's regulator. Remember to provide your student with positive reinforcement and additional communication about the proper technique. You can then finish the skill with one more positive reinforcement. Here is a list of common problems you may encounter whilst conducting this skill.